Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to make a very simple food. If you have not read the title, I'm going to show you how to make a simple form of rice. For this recipe, we will be using about half a cup of rice and 1 cup of water. When making rice, the amount of water is always going to be doubled the amount of rice. This is because half the water is going to eventually evaporate and the other half will be absorbed by the rice. Let's get started. First, add a small amount of oil to make sure the rice does not stick to the pan. After adding sufficient oil, begin to add the rice. Once you've done this, continuously stir the rice to prevent it from burning. Set the heat to a medium or low. Okay, we are now finished with the rice, and we have served the rice. At this point, all I have to do is serve the rice and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice night, day, or morning, whatever time it is. If you'd like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, and watch other videos while you're here.